In this video, I'll show you how to easily change a contact picture on an iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the iPhone app and navigate to Contacts. Next, find and tap on the contact whose profile picture you want to change. I'll use this contact as an example. Now tap on the Edit button in the top right corner. From there, look for the option to edit again, and you'll be taken to the page where you can change the contact picture. Tap on Customize. To change the contact picture, select Contact Photo. Here you can tap Crop to adjust the image. You can resize and move it around as needed. Once you are satisfied, hit Choose. On the next screen, you'll have the option to apply different filters to the picture. You can also select a different photo by tapping the link. You can use various methods to set the profile picture, such as taking a photo with the camera, use an image from your camera roll, or selecting Memoji, Memogram, or emoji options. For this example, I choose Photos and select a different picture. After that, crop a new picture, hit Choose, and apply any desired filter. Once you are done, tap Next and then Update. And that's how you can easily change a contact's profile picture. As you can see, the picture has now been updated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.